name is Sae Hyun and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to teach you on how to make kimchi fried rice kimbap with mozzarella cheese. I love fried rice with kimchi, especially with fried egg. But did you know that there is another way to enjoy more of your kimchi fried rice? Oh yes! By making it a spicy cheesy kimbap, which is basically made of kimchi fried rice and cheese. A wonderful combination. Of course, I had to try it and it came out delicious. But now, it's your turn to taste it. Without further ado, let's get started. So my ingredients are kimchi fried rice, scrambled egg, mozzarella cheese, kim, or some of you know as nori. First is to place the kimchi fried rice on the kim. Make sure to flatten it so you can place the other ingredients well. Next is your fried egg that was cut into strips. Place 2 in the middle. Then put your mozzarella cheese in between your egg. Now, let's wrap it up. Lastly, put in the microwave or oven so that the yummy cheese melts. Once it is out of the oven, make sure to slice it. Since I am too young, I'll ask help to slice it. And tada! Here's our spicy cheesy kimchi kimbap. Now, let's taste it. Yum! How does yours taste? Hit me up in the comment section when you make your own kimchi kimbap. I hope that you learn a lot from this video. For more, just like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!